Do you know drip feed options on LearnDash? Actually, LearnDash lessons have a default lesson release scheduler with 3 different options. But what if we give you the same functionality for topics and quizzes? Now you have dripfeed content extended add-on that enhances the default dripfeed content functionality of LearnDash to cover topics and also quizzes. You can search dripfeed content extended add-on from here. Then you install and activate it. You see a tab under LearnDash LMS named Dripfeed Settings. Here you see options to enable the dripfeed setting with its specific content. You have a dripfeed option for topics with 3 possible schedulers: immediate, enrollment-based, and specific date. And of course, you find the same options for quizzes too. Let's see how to drip feed the topics. Just go to drip feed settings and set X number of days, if you want to go with the enrollment-based option. Here is the updated content. We do the same process for quizzes too. Right there, in drip feed settings, if we go with option 3. Just set the specific month, day, year, and time. Here is the updated content. That's it. That's how this plugin works. For further details and queries, visit ldninjas.com.